Hey, girls and boys, it's Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Super excited today because I have a math game to show you that I think you're going to find helpful in two ways. One, with continuing to understand properties of multiplication, specifically the commutative property, which I will explain, and also helping you to start to remember your math facts. Okay, so this is going to help with that. So, in your math packet, you have a paper that looks like this. Okay, it says over and under. Clever, right? I got over on top and under on the bottom. What can I tell you? Okay, so you want to take that out of your math packet. Okay, and so take that out. Let me zoom myself back up here. Okay, and then you're going to want to take out your dry erase pocket sleeve, which you may not have used before. Hello. And then you're going to want to put it inside of there. It can be a little bit tricky. Sometimes it gets sticky, but you can do it. I just kind of, okay, let me show my screen again. So sometimes I like put it in and I like slide my hand in there with it and just kind of push it in like this. Okay. So you need this. All right. You also need your dry erase marker, eraser, and a couple dice. It's best to use these dot dice. If you don't have dot dice, you can use, everyone should have gotten some of these. They're like 10-sided. You can use those as well, but the dot dice are better because the numbers don't go quite as high. And the number line, you'll notice, only goes to 30. So if you use these dice, you just won't be able to use like some of the higher numbers. But either way is fine, okay? All right, pause the video, please, and get those materials. And when you have those materials, please come back. All right, so let's get this party started. So it's called over and under. I'm just gonna show you how it works. Okay, so first we roll the dice. I'll roll these first. Okay, great. So I got 4 and 3. So with my dry erase marker, don't use a different marker because it won't erase, right? I'm going to write down 4 times 3. So you'll see the number line, right? So this is my over. I'm going to do 4 hops of 3. So I'm going to do 1 hop of 3, 2 hops of 3. So that gets me on 6. Another hop of 3 to 9, and another hop of 3 to 12. Okay, so I land on 12. All right? Now on the under, you'll see there's another spot for an equation. So what the commutative property says, you don't need to know that word, by the way, but it's good to know that's what it is that if 4 times 3 is 12, which we just proved, then 3 times 4 is also 12. So 4 hops of 3 will get you to the same place as 3 hops of 4. So let's prove it right now. So underneath, we're going to do 3 hops of 4. You see how I did that? So you would take your dry erase marker. Okay, actually, you don't have to be doing this with me right now. You can just be watching me, because once I'm done explaining it, then you're going to do it, okay? So I'm going to do 1 hop of 4, 2 hops of 4, I land on 8. Another hop of 4, I land on 12. Okay, so 4 hops of 3 is the same as 3 hops of 4, and I just proved it using the number line. It's called over and under because we're going to do on the top, on the over it, we're going to do 4 hops of 3, and on the under, we're going to do the other way around. Okay, let's do another one. You might be thinking, Mr. McAndrew, I think you've gone crazy. I don't understand this. Let's do another one. If you're using these dice, okay, then let me do one with these. All right, so that's good. I got a 6 and a 3. Okay, a 3 and a 6. So I rolled, so it doesn't matter where you put the dice. So I put 3 times 6. Down here, I'm going to reverse it and do 6 times 3. But we want to think of it in terms of hops. Okay, so up top, we're going to do 3 hops of 6. So 1 hop of 6 gets me to 6, right? 2 hops of 6 gets me to 12. Okay, so it's good for practicing your skip counting. And another hop of 6 gets me to 18. All right, now I happen to know that. If you're not sure, you can just count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gets me to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 gets me to 18. So we're at 18. So the question is, will 6 hops of 3 also get us to 18? It should. If it doesn't, then I don't know what to tell you. The universe is exploding. Okay, so 6 hops of 3. So 1 hop of 3 gets me to 3. Another hop of 3 gets me to 6. Oh, I landed on 6 before. Another hop of 3 gets me to 9. Right? And another hop of 3 gets me to 12. We landed on 12 before. So we've got 1, 2, 3, that's 4 hops. We need 6 hops. Another hop gets me to 15. And 6 hops gets me to 18. Bam, there we go. Oh, sorry, I covered you up, 18. Gets me to 18. So we can see that 3 times 6 is the same as 6 times 3. Okay? So here's what you do. There's one more step that I forgot to tell you about. In your math packet, you also have a recording sheet that looks like this. It says Monday. Sorry, here. Boom. Okay, it says over and under recording sheet Monday. So all you need to do, boys and girls, not a biggie, is when you do this, because you're going to erase it and your teacher's never going to see it, right? Is you want to then, so we did 3 times 6 and 6 times 3, we just proved is the same, right? So over here, on the recording sheet, we're going to write down 3 times 6 equals 6 times 3, okay? And then I'm going to put equals 18, all right? So that's how you're going to record it. All right, so let's do one more because this is the video that you're going to use this week you're going to be playing this game. If you're in cohort A, you'll be playing this game throughout the week. If you're in cohort B, you've only got 2 days because of Thanksgiving, okay? All right, so let's do these again. Why not? Okay, here we go. Big roll, big roll. Okay, 8 and 3. By the way, boys and girls, if I had gotten 8 and 9, that's 72. I can't go that high. So if it goes beyond 30, you just have to roll again, okay? But I had an 8 and a 3. I don't know where the 3 went. There it is. Okay, I had 8 and 3. So let's write down 8 hops of 3 and 3 hops of 8. Okay, so 8 hops of 3. I'm going to do it quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I landed on 24. Okay, now I need to see, does 3 hops of 8 get me the same way? So 1 hop of 8 puts me at 8. Another hop of 8 gets me to 16. Another hop of 8 gets me to 24. It worked. Okay, so then on my recording sheet, my handy dandy recording sheet, I would write down 8 times 3 equals 3 times 8 equals 24. Okay? All right, so you just need to do it 6 times, and then that's the game. Okay? This is really good, boys and girls, for learning your multiplication facts. If you don't know what 3 times 6 is, but you know what 6 times 3 is, then you figured it out. You already know that 3 times 6 is 18. Okay? And it helps you to see that commutative property. All right, so don't forget, make sure that you roll the dice each time, do the hops on the number line just like I showed you. All right, and most importantly, have some fun. All right, but not too much fun without me, okay? Because, I'm not there right now. All right, boys and girls, great job. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.